Hello everybody, Clay Jack Derriere here. Today I'm going to show you how to make some calamansi juice the way I like it, more like a yogurt drink. You start with a fresh milk, which is not sponsored, and you use these calamansis, which should be actually a little bit riper than this, a little bit bigger, but I'm going to use them anyway. These are not sponsored either. That tree outside said no way, no how. So they're not sponsored either. Thanks to that tree. And they got.
She said she plucked them. You did? She plucked them, the calamansi juice.
And they got a glass. This is not sponsored either. And a spoon. You guessed it, not sponsored. I got this thing here. It don't matter what kind you use, as long as it don't fall down in the cup.
Okay.
And I've got this. It's best to use a knife that is serrated like this one. This is a bread knife. This here's a bread knife. It's better to use the serrated ones. So when you put the calamansi in this kind of glass, you want it to be about, see the top, the glass starts right here. This is just extra glass. You want it to be about this high, probably about 1/4 inches high. If your glass is fatter, a little more, skinnier, a little bit less. And you put this in here. You take this, see the ends? This is the end, this is the end. Don't cut it like this into the end. You cut it like this. You hold it on the part that comes out off the tree, and then the navel at the bottom. You cut it like this. And with this serrated bread knife, it's going to cut real easy. Look at that. And I don't cut it all the way through. I leave it kind of hanging like that. And squeeze out the juice, and all the seeds and stuff will fall down in there. And you don't need it. See how it looks like Pac-Man? Because I never cut it all the way through. It's easier that way.
Hey, I got you one.
Make sure they're the big ones. And then you cut another one.
I found a big one.
Squeeze out the juice. And watch my thumb, because I sliced it good a couple of days ago. But it's not burning or nothing, because it's already healing up. Cut another one. Squish it in there. It's really juicy. Cut another one. If you use a knife that's not serrated, you may have trouble cutting these things. A serrated knife, like a bread knife, or a knife with teeth, is what I'm saying. But this is made so it can cut bread easy. But a knife with teeth on it will do, because you don't want to be fighting with these things. And shake it from time to time. So it still needs a little bit more, not too much, a little bit more. Not too many. There's a lot of juice in these little ones. This one, I used to live in a house where there was 2 big calamansi trees that drank these things all the time. I had an abundance of calamansi. I had so many I couldn't even use them all, so I let my mother-in-law have some that I poison ones. And got this one here. No sense of humor alert. Whoop, whoop, whoop. No sense of humor alert. See, it's getting all the seeds. All the seeds and stuff. And you can squish it. You can move it around a little bit, because some of the juice is going to get hung up. And let's check it. And that looks like enough. But I'm actually going to put one. I'll put one.
This yellow one.
I'll put one more in there. I'll put 2 more. I'll put that one in this big giant one.
So you can have one.
Squishy, squishy. So there's not much in there. And squishy. And that's the last one. That's enough. After you got this in there, sloshy, sloshy, you put this. But remember, you're putting sugar. So don't fill this thing all the way up, so when you put your sugar, it's going to overflow. So you can always add a little more milk later. See, milk and anything that's acidic, milk and vinegar, milk and calamansi juice, or lemon juice, lime juice, anything, it's going to clabber that milk a little bit, make it a little bit thick. That's why I call it yogurt. So get some sugar, plop it in there, but don't overdo it. I go for 4 teaspoons for a heaping. That's what I do. Then you lop it down in there. See, it's already getting kind of thick. See, it's already getting kind of thick. It's not the sugar.
Look like a sour milk.
It's getting kind of thick already. So just stir it up. Now this is where, if you want to, you can add a hair more milk. Like that. And then stir it up, and when you taste it, if it's not sweet enough, put a little bit more sugar in it. But don't start out with a whole big bunch of sugar at one time. You may over sweeten it. Don't taste it.
It's not like a sour milk, but when you taste it, it tastes like yogurt, right?
It's perfect.
You want ice?
Yeah.
Let me spoon now.
Right. Right.
A little bit more.
Right.
Right. So I ended up putting 5 tablespoons in there.
Yeah, because some calamansi are really sour, some are really sweet.
You know,
Not really sweet.
it tasted good, but I want it a little bit sweeter. Kind of do this, get it going. The longer you let it sit, the thicker it'll get.
Wait, let's see.
And now is the time to drink it.
Look at you.
Let me taste.
Tastes really good.
Yeah.
Really good.
Yummy.
I can drink these all day long, never get tired of them.